whether the user defined function is odd or even. So function always must be terminate with the colon. Now under this function I am going to now put this, you cut this, okay, here, because the total, why it is giving error, margin not required here, one space, okay. Okay, now this total line of code, it is under add function, but I'm going to declare one more function. That function checks that whether the given number is odd or even, okay. So here expected black means one tab. So now under this you write the code. So this function checks that whether the given number is odd or even. So same, you take input function, okay, and request the user enter first number, okay. Now you change this, enter a number, okay. Now what after that you store this number in a variable. That variable is equal to, suppose x is equal to variable. So why it is giving error, why it is giving error, because one tab, okay. Let us see, no issue. So enter a number. Now I am writing the code, a given number to be checked whether number is odd or even. Now come this, write a statement like this. First of all, I told you that this number will be stored as a string, so you type conversion from one data type to another data type, okay, one data type to another data type. After that, so now number, whatever the number user feeds, that will be stored in this x variable. Now odd or even, how can we get that? So take this one, create one more variable, result, okay. Result is a variable, it holds what, result is what, x modulus. Modulus means x modulus. Where is that modulus symbol? This one is x modulus 2 is equals 0. You write this, you use this if statement. If x modulus 2 is equal to 0. So what do you mean of this? If this number divided by 2, so this modulus symbol use it to get the remainder, So if this number divided by 2 and the modulus remainder is equal to 0, then print a statement, string type of data we need to put here, string type of data, given number is even number, given number is even number. Else means, suppose if it is statement is wrong, print string type of data, given number is odd, okay. Now check that what is happening here, why it is giving error, expected expression, you cut this, you paste here, no issue. So why here error? Because I told you that every function or method must have brackets. Okay, now it is okay, suffix it with the brackets. Now what happened, whenever you call this method, okay, call this method as check odd even, method will be called with the brackets. Now you run this code, what happened, this is enter first number. So because this add function is being called, so all the lines will be executed, just you are calling by that add function. So here if you pass any number, so one more number you have passed, both will be added. Now second this events, now you are calling this function, so enter a number. If you take 7, okay, enter a number 7 here, you need to pass the 7 here, whatever the number you pass, given number is even. So this line of code executed just by calling this method, this function. This is called user defined function. This is called user defined function. This is called, if you want to split them different, you this line of code you put under this sum function, okay, and this line of code put in add function, this line of code put in sum function, this line of code put in check odd even. Now you cut this, you put it in comment section, okay. Now call all the functions one by one here, sum, and next add one more function you call, okay. Now how it is executed, the same thing, enter a number, first number, to enter second number, because first executed given number is even. Why? Because given number you are calling first this function. So even though you have written the code, started your code add functions started from first, but you are calling the function, third function, check odd even function first, so that will be executed. If you compile this code, you clears this code, if you run this file, it is requesting for enter a first number, if you enter, so you are requesting for some function. Some function is what, this function. So enter first number. The sum function is at the mid of three functions. This is the first function, but you are calling the middle function. So interpreter calls first this function, second function, okay. So it is looking for second function. So if you pass the value, clears the screen, you run this file, it is looking for a number. So this integer number, one more number you have passed. Now the sum function called, okay, but nothing you are getting after add function to be called. Every time you compile this one, enter a number here, it is looking for what, but you are not getting the answer. So you need to do what, this is written under add function, this is written under sum function, you call the sum function, you call this check